Accidentally deleted your recent call history on your iPhone? No need to stress. There are a few ways to recover it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your deleted call history back, step by step. Let's get started. Check your iCloud backup. Open Settings. Tap your name at the top, then tap iCloud. Scroll down. Tap iCloud Backup. Select your iPhone to see the date of the last backup. If the backup was made before you deleted the call history, proceed to the next step. Now restore your iPhone. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. Confirm the reset. Ensure you have a backup before doing this. After your iPhone restarts, follow the setup prompts. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, tap Restore from iCloud Backup. Select the backup that contains your call history. Here's how to recover your deleted recent call history on iPhone. It's an easy way to get back those important calls you might have lost by mistake. If you have any questions or need more help, just drop a comment below. I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching.